The term branch breaker is a generic term used in the electrical industry, and it is important to understand that it does not have a specific definition under underwriters' laboratories or UL standards. While you might encounter this term on panel labels or in discussions about electrical systems, it's crucial to recognize that it's more of a descriptive term than a formally defined one. Typically, when you see the term branch breaker, it refers to circuit breakers that are installed and used within a branch circuit feeder in a panel board. A panel board is an enclosure designed for assembling bus bars and having automatic overcurrent protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, for the control of light, heat, or power circuits. The main purpose of a panel board is to distribute electrical power to various branch circuits throughout a building or a specific area. Branch circuits, in turn, are the circuits that extend from the panel board and directly supply power to outlets, lighting fixtures, appliances, and other electrical equipment. The circuit breakers within the panel board serve as protective devices, interrupting the flow of electricity in the event of an overcurrent or short circuit. This prevents damage to the wiring, connected equipment, and reduces the risk of electrical fires. When we talk about a branch circuit feeder, we are referring to the circuit that supplies power to one or more branch circuits. The feeder originates at the source of power, such as a main service panel, and delivers electricity to the panel board from which the branch circuits are derived. Therefore, the branch breakers within a panel board are the circuit breakers that protect the individual branch circuits connected to that panel board. They are responsible for disconnecting the power to a specific branch circuit if an overcurrent condition occurs. Understanding the arrangement and function of branch breakers within a panel board is essential for anyone working with electrical systems. Firstly, it is important to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical installation. Secondly, it facilitates proper troubleshooting and maintenance. When dealing with electrical panels and circuit breakers, it is always recommended to consult the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other applicable local codes and regulations. These codes provide detailed requirements for the installation, protection, and control of electrical systems, including panel boards and branch circuits. Some specific sections of the NEC that are relevant to this topic include, firstly, Article 100, which provides definitions of terms used in the code. Secondly, Article 220 covers the calculation of branch circuit, feeder, and service loads. Thirdly, Article 240 addresses overcurrent protection, including the selection and installation of circuit breakers. Fourthly, Article 312 provides requirements for the construction and installation of cabinets, cutout boxes, and meter socket enclosures. Fifthly, Article 408 covers switchboards, switchgear, and panel boards. When selecting circuit breakers for branch circuit protection, it is crucial to consider several factors to ensure proper coordination and protection. Firstly, the ampacity of the circuit breaker must be suitable for the ampacity of the branch circuit conductors. Secondly, the circuit breaker's interrupting rating must be sufficient to handle the available fault current at the panel board. Thirdly, the circuit breaker's trip characteristics must be appropriate for the type of loads served by the branch circuit. Common types of circuit breakers used for branch circuit protection include thermal magnetic breakers, which respond to both thermal overloads and magnetic short circuits, and electronic trip breakers, which offer more advanced protection features and adjustable trip settings. In addition to selecting the correct circuit breakers, it is also essential to properly install and maintain the panel board and branch circuits. This includes ensuring that all connections are tight and secure, that the panel board is properly grounded, and that the circuit breakers are regularly inspected and tested. Regular maintenance can help prevent electrical problems and ensure the continued safe operation of the electrical system. Remember that working with electrical systems can be dangerous, and it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer for any electrical work. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the work is performed safely and in accordance with applicable codes and regulations. The generic term branch breaker is most likely referring to the circuit breakers that protect the individual branch circuits connected to a panel board. While the term itself isn't formally defined by UL, the function and application of these breakers are crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Always refer to the NEC and other applicable codes and regulations for detailed requirements and guidance on electrical installations. Remember, working with electricity can be dangerous, so it's always best to consult with a qualified professional.